Meaning of inspector.
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 Inspector. An inspector is a person whose job is to inspect, examine, or investigate something. The term inspector is often used in the context of ensuring compliance with regulations or standards. Inspectors may work for government agencies, non-governmental organizations, or private companies. They are responsible for assessing the quality, safety, and functionality of a wide variety of items, from buildings and machinery to food and consumer products. Inspectors use a range of tools and techniques to conduct their evaluations, including visual inspections, testing, and analysis of samples. Their work plays an important role in maintaining public safety and protecting the environment.